Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by defining who you sell to and what you offer. This saves wasted spend. Start with 1-3 buyer personas and select a single, measurable offer like a demo or $1.50 discount so conversion tracking is simple. Once chosen, pick the primary ad channel, Google for intent, Facebook/Instagram for interest, LinkedIn for B2B, and create a landing page tailored to the persona. Make sure tracking is ready, add pixel, UTM tags, and set a conversion goal before launching. Now you build and organize your campaigns so performance is comparable. Create 3 creative variants per persona, different headlines, concise body copy, and 1 image or short video, so the algorithm has options to test. Structure campaigns with a single conversion goal and separate ad sets by audience. For bidding, start conservative but consistent. Allow a 7-14-day testing window, use 10-20% daily budget ramp, and monitor CPM, CTR, and CPA to decide which creative. To finish, scale the winners and keep measuring the right metrics so your ads fund growth. Increase budgets by 20-40% daily on proven ad sets or duplicate them to keep learning intact. Always track CAC, LTV, and ROAS to guide decisions. If performance drops, first check tracking and conversion attribution, then audience overlap or ad fatigue, and finally landing page speed or form issues. If nothing fixes it, revert to the prior best-performing version and retest changes slowly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.